Now let's go and use this. This is a big long. Let's do it quick now because this is another thing. Making or reusable the poll. So if you want to reuse the poll, you just say this global underscore poll. Is it there? Is the question. If it's there, use it, and if it's not there, use new poll and then pull it from the data. That's what it means. So global.poll a shelf. Is there already a poll sitting here from before? That is the question. If this is the knowledge collision, if not there, it is actually a knowledge collision operator. It means if the thing on the left is null or undefined, nothing there, use the thing on the right hand in a sense. So it's like use the odd poll if one exists. Otherwise, make a new one. That's what actually means. If global db for global for db underscore pg poll is there, yes, use it. It's not there, now use the new poll. Okay, that's actually what it makes. It means new pg.poll, then this is the part that actually builds a connection poll. A poll is like a small team of open phone, like what can I say here? New poll now. We have global poll and new. Now we are coming to new. This is a part that actually builds a connection poll. So a poll is like a small team of open phone lines to your database, ready to be used. Instead of building a brand new phone call every single time, you need to ask the database something faster and more efficient. Okay, so yeah, inside the new PG, you are filling out the phone number, the password, and all information that you want. And these are information user process.env. So this env, there is db user. So the user will be found in env. This we are saying is here because we don't want anyone to see this apart from ourselves, apart from you yourself. And that's why we are using env, right? Database, we also have env process that and then bring us the data db name and then db password and then port is in the form of a number, and we also taking it that number port, and if not there, default is 5432. Okay, then we go to the process.env. All right,